XOS announces that it has secured a purchase order from Australian EV for a stripped chassis. The company has also started conversations with regards to working towards a manufacturing and distribution partnership in Australia. Upon receiving the stripped chassis, Australian EV will collaborate with XOS engineers on design and manufacturing issues specific to the Australian right-hand drive market. Australian EV is a subsidiary of Boss Capital, a private investment company dedicated to the manufacturing and distribution of electric vehicles in the Australian automotive sector. For XOS, the partnership will allow it to leverage Australian EV presence and expertise in Australia to generate revenue, growth, and brand visibility across the Oceania region. Jessica Savage, head of distribution at XOS, commented, "Australia presents an exciting growth opportunity for XOS that we're looking forward to exploring." XOS is a fleet services provider and original equipment manufacturer of Class 5 through Class 8 battery electric vehicles. The company leverages its proprietary technologies to provide commercial fleets with zero-emission vehicles that are easier to maintain and more cost-efficient on a total cost of ownership basis than their internal combustion engine counterparts. Shares of XOS trade on the NASDAQ under the ticker symbol XOS. For more information, visit www.greenstocknews.com.
Thanks for watching Greenstock News. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see daily Greenstock News videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment. Greenstock News for the new green economy. Thanks again for watching, and make sure you click on the subscribe button.